bar doesn't want it. Okay, I'm on the side of the highway. I'm pretty sure I just blew the motor. The Type R wanted it, and so I gave it to him. But I blew the motor, I'm pretty sure. Oh shit. All right, let's go. Let's hop out and see what's going on in the engine bay. Jesus Christ. Oh shit. That's a lot of oil, boys. That's a lot of oil. Oh my God. Bro, I wonder if I just blew all my oil out and just starved it. I have no idea where all that came from. I assume probably the oil cap in that breather. It tells me that I probably just ate the rest of my rings. I'll talk to you guys when I figure out what I'm gonna do, because I'm just out here. I'm whipping her home, boys. She's struggling. She's on less than 4 cylinders, but we're gonna make it, I think. We're about 10 minutes away from home. I'm really taking it easy. It sounds like a tractor. It sounds horrible. There's smoke coming out of the exhaust. It's not looking good for the full send turbo Civic, boys. Oh, Jesus. Oh, man. So we have determined that cylinder number 3 is fricked. It's not running on cylinder number 3. Why is it not running on cylinder number 3? That is something that we have not determined to this point. Rob and I are going to go ahead and pull the spark plug out of cylinder 3 and stick a borescope down there and see what it looks like. I think that there's going to be some yucky stuff going on in the cylinder, and let's see. Oh, dude. It's missing like a chunk.
Yeah, I see it.
You know what I could do too is rotate the crank. But that piston is clearly missing a chunk.
Yeah, it is.
Guys, it is true. The full send turbo Civic blew up. As you just saw, piston number 3 is missing a huge chunk. Let's go in the garage and we'll talk about what this means. We've officially inducted the $500 Honda motor into the Blown Motor Club Hall of Fame. A brief moment of silence. God bless that motor. It really did try hard. It really was hanging on by a thread for the last probably 20 pulls or so that I did with that car. You know, with how badly it was smoking out of the exhaust, I'm honestly surprised that it lasted as long as it even did. I know a lot of you guys had a lot of opinions and thoughts about the last tuning video and thoughts on maybe why it was having so many problems. Honestly, the real answer to that is that I never took the time to figure that out, because I know that this motor is temporary. I've known that this whole time, and we are following a plan, believe it or not. My motto since the beginning, guys, has been plan, commit, execute, and attain your goals. Well, I've had a plan in place since I got the $500 Honda motor, and everything is actually going exactly according to plan right now. Those of you guys that have been around long enough to know what I'm talking about, you're probably pretty excited right now. Those of you that have no idea what I'm talking about, I'm going to be hosting a live stream on Sunday, January 16th. I'm going to be hosting this live stream to just hang out, set some goals for the channel, kind of just hang out with you guys, do some Q&A stuff, but there's also going to be like a hilarious game that we're going to be playing just to entertain you guys during the live stream. I'm going to be blindfolded, and people are going to put random things into my mouth. Obviously nothing that's going to hurt me or be too disgusting, but I'm going to have to try to figure out what those items are, and we're going to end with a ghost pepper. At some point during the night, they're going to put a ghost pepper in my mouth, and I'm going to eat it. I've never eaten a ghost pepper before. I'm kind of scared, but I'm really excited to do it. So if you guys want to, A, hear like a humongous surprise for the full send turbo Civic, B, support the channel, raise some money for the build, because like I said, I can't explain it too much because it's going to give away the surprise that's coming with the live stream. But the full send turbo Civic is going to need some serious financial backing. So that won't be like the main purpose of the live stream. I'm not doing it like the last one where I was really just trying to raise funds for the build. I'm more so doing it just to hang out with you guys. I know a lot of you guys are new towards the end of 2021 here. We had a big growth, a big boost in subscribers and followers and stuff. So I want to just spend some time and hang out with you guys and just be personable. And interact with you guys. I want to hear what you think and hear your suggestions and stuff. So that's the main goal of the live stream. But there is going to be a way to donate if you do want to support the build. I'm going to be promoting the merch. So again, if you guys want to have a chance to win those Injector Dynamics ID 1050X fuel injectors, go ahead and click the link in the description down below. A sticker is 1 entry, a t-shirt is 4 entries, a hoodie is 8 entries. And all you have to do to enter is send me a DM at my Instagram with your name, phone number, items you purchased, and exactly when you purchased them, or you can send that to my email as well. Anyway, the whole point of this video was to let you guys know that the motor is indeed blown. We are on course. Trust me, I'm not panicking. I'm not freaking out. This was all part of the plan. I'm so excited for the future, and we are going to be doing that live stream, like I said, on Sunday, January 16th, to raise money for the build, to hang out with you guys, and to reveal like the biggest secret, the biggest step in this whole process. The whole reveal of my plan will be revealed during that live stream. So please be there. Set your calendar, set a marker in your calendar, whatever reminder, and be at that live stream. I'll be posting all about it up until then. But get excited, guys, because it's going to be really freaking cool. Thank you guys for being here. Again, merch link in the description down below. Information on the live stream in the description down below. The motor's blown up, but we are totally chilling. I will see you guys in the next one. And as I always say, let's remember to plan, commit, execute, and attain our goals. Bye, guys.